Hi, my name's Izzy and I'm the Development Intern at Wales Millenium Centre as part of the Arts Business Creative Internship. I studied media, journalism and culture at Cardiff University and had just handed in my dissertation when I came across the internship. After having lived in Cardiff for 3 years, I spent a lot of my time at museums, art galleries and other art centres. And I've also been fundraising for a smaller charity for a number of years, so this internship really was the perfect mix of the both for me. I was so happy when I found out I got the internship. I didn't actually know Wales Millenium Centre was a charity, and I was so excited to work in what is the home for the arts in Wales. It was my first time working in a professional business environment, and the team was so supportive of me. I was never afraid to ask questions, and they were always rooting for my learning. I think a lot of people think internships are about making cups of tea or photocopying, but this internship is far more than that. Everything that I do, I feel like I'm playing an active role in the organisation and doing meaningful work. My favourite aspect of the internship is definitely that I'm always learning. Arts and Business arrange a variety of workshops throughout the year, such as social media training, digital marketing and change management, and these have helped so much, especially learning alongside the other interns. On top of that, at work, I also do lots of webinars and fundraising seminars, and these are a great way to network and find out more about the third sector in Cardiff. There's been so many amazing experiences and opportunities that I've had during the internship that have made it so special to me. One of my absolute favourites has to be our 15th birthday celebration at the centre, which was a really lovely evening with all of our supporters. I've also helped organise corporate cultivation evenings and hosted corporate hospitality evenings for our partners, and I'd often be in our members' lounge greeting our members before a show. Another aspect is we have our community events, which I've volunteered my time to. These consist of welcoming in our local community for free food and drink and entertainment, and my favourite of those have been the Lantern Walk and our International Women's Day community banquet. My proudest moment of the internship so far definitely has to be when Tattness Champagne sponsored our members' lounge, and I got the great opportunity to write the messaging that would be featured on the wall for thousands of our visitors to see for a number of years to come, and I can't wait to go back and visit it. Earlier on in March this year, the centre had to close as a result of the coronavirus pandemic. I'm so sad not to be in our lovely building, but it has brought about some other learning opportunities for me. For the majority of my internship, I spent it focused on the individual giving and corporate fundraising sides of development, whereas now I've been doing trust and foundations research, and this has given me such a wider knowledge on fundraising, which will be great for me going forward. As part of the internship, Arts and Business pair you up with an arts mentor and a business mentor. They've been so helpful for me during my experience, especially during this shift to remote working. Arts and Business are always checking in on us, and we're also checking in with the other interns, so it's a really supportive environment. I feel so sad that the internship's coming to an end. It's been such an amazing experience for me. I'd like to say thank you to Wales Millenium Centre and Arts and Business Cymru for taking me on. This year has just been full of so many opportunities. For those students who are graduating, it's such uncertain times and the year ahead seems so unsettled. But don't forget there's so many opportunities there for you, and I couldn't recommend the internship enough.